This one will working well with you guys doing your row stuff and trying to look after your shoulders. Ido Portal is a big fan of this. I'm sure you've heard me talk about him before. I won't get necessarily the right name for it, but nonetheless you'll be able to look it up. It's like a seated dumbbell shoulder external rotation exercise. So I'll show you seated, the couple of angles that you can do it from, and also how to do it laying down. I'm choosing a light dumbbell today. I would suggest most of you need to do that. I'm sitting on this bench, one knee up, long or tall through the spine, and I'm just, can you see how I'm sort of facing the dumbbell with my upper body at the moment? So this is the work that a lot of people don't want to do. It's not fun, okay? It's not exciting like doing your bench press. But I guarantee most of us should be doing it. I should be doing it more often, okay? What you can do to change it up from there, see how I'm turning away from the dumbbell? I'm a little bit more open through the chest region. So that's basically what it looks like from a seated position. My elbow's sort of sitting on top of my knee, like so, or to the side, and I'm just going like so, nice and controlled, okay? From there, what you can do is do it laying down on a bench as well. So from here, same sort of thing, that's actually quite tough. So I'd say do it seated first before you're doing it like that. That's surprising how tough that is. So that's the shoulder external rotation drill. Do it seated to start off with. Most of us would gain a lot of benefit from doing that quite often, in particular trying to look after that shoulder joint region and trying to open up through that area. You've just got to make time for it, like all things. Give that a go. Let me know how well you perform it, and if you need to, touch base and we'll work out a way to help you out with it too.